What is mistake of fact? According to provision, mistake of fact होता क्या है? Nothing is an offense if done due to mistake of fact, either in a good faith or believing oneself to be bound by law or justified by law. Further, we will understand what is bound by law and justified by law. Bound by law is given under section 14 BNS. Let's understand through an example. Suppose a police officer want to arrest C, but arrested B, and police officer actually believing that B is an accused. So here, police officer has commit no offense. His action was bound by law, now justified by law. Example for this is, suppose a person catches B and A believes that B commit murder, later found him innocent. Now here A acting under good faith, so A commit no offense. His actions was justified by law. In case State of Maharashtra versus Muhammad Yaqub, it was held that mistake of law is not a defense. Further, we will understand mistake of fact through a flowchart. Step 1. Did the accused act under a mistake? If no, then he'll get no defense. If yes, then was the mistake about fact or law? If mistake about law, then he'll get no defense. If mistake about fact, then he'll get the defense. Now step 3. Was the mistake made in a good faith? If no, then no defense. If yes, then we'll go further to step 4. Did the accused believe himself justified by law or bound by law? If no, then no defense. If yes, then get the defense.